In this video, we're going to show you how to audit your weekly work hours with reports, giving you the insight you need to optimize your productivity. By the end, you'll know how to efficiently track your time and identify areas for improvement. Stay tuned because I'll also share an exclusive offer for you to try the software I recommend for tracking and auditing your work hours. Stick around for the full tutorial. First, let's talk about why auditing your weekly work hours is so important. It's not just about tracking your time, but about gaining clarity on how you're spending it. The right reports can reveal patterns, inefficiencies, or even tasks that you might be spending too much time on. And the best way to do this? Using detailed work hour reports that give you a clear snapshot of your week. To get started, you need software that tracks your time accurately. While there are plenty of tools out there, the one we'll be using today simplifies everything. I've tried most of the popular ones, and this software really stands out because it allows you to track, analyze, and review your hours in a way that's quick and easy to understand. Once you've set up the software and started tracking your time, the next step is to generate your report. In most time tracking software, this is as simple as selecting the dates you want to review and hitting Generate Report. The software will automatically organize the data into a comprehensive report, showing your total hours worked, the tasks you spent time on, and even how long you spent on each task. This brings us to the next step, reviewing your report. The key here is not just looking at the total number of hours worked, but diving into the specifics. Are there tasks that took more time than expected? Is there a task that's consistently taking up more of your week than you'd like? These insights are gold when it comes to optimizing your work schedule. Now, let's talk about breaking down the report. Many people make the mistake of just looking at the overall hours, but it's important to break it down by categories. You might have different projects, client work, administrative tasks, etc. Categorizing these in your report helps you identify what's draining your time. If you see that you're spending too much time on low priority tasks, you can make adjustments to focus on high value work. The next crucial step is setting goals. Once you've identified where you're spending too much time, the next step is setting goals for how you want to improve. For example, if you're spending 10 hours a week on emails, try to reduce that to 7 hours. Track these changes over the coming weeks to see if you're hitting your goals and if your report reflects those improvements. Finally, don't forget to schedule regular audits. Your weekly report is an ongoing tool for optimization. You should be checking it weekly to keep your work hours in check and adjust your processes as needed. This consistent auditing will keep you on track toward maximum productivity. The key takeaway from today's video is that auditing your weekly work hours with reports is essential for identifying inefficiencies and optimizing your time. By generating and reviewing these reports, breaking them down into categories, and setting goals for improvement, you can make big strides in managing your time more effectively. Before I close, remember to take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software we're using today. It's only available to viewers of my channel, and you can find the link in the description below. If you want to follow along with the tutorial, that's the best way to get started. So, to quickly recap, set up your time tracking software, generate your report, break down your hours by category, review your time spent, and set goals for improvement. Keep auditing weekly, and you'll be on your way to mastering your work hours. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab your free trial in the description below.